In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the TikTok photo swipe not working issue on both iOS and Android devices. If you're trying to create a photo slideshow on TikTok but the swipe animation feature is missing or not working, follow these steps. Launch your TikTok. Now navigate to your profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right. Click on the option Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down. Head over to the option Free Up Space, then clear both the cache and downloads as old cache files can cause feature issues. After clearing them, close TikTok completely. Now open Settings, go to the option General, head over to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find TikTok and launch it. Then click on Upload app, confirm it, wait for a few minutes and then reinstall it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.